Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your IP address in the Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on the Start menu. Then, come to the search bar and type here, CMD. Then, you have to open this command prompt option, so just click on it. Then, a window like this will appear in front of you. So let me change the font size first. I will keep it something like 28. Then, you have to type here, ipconfig, without any space. Then, you have to press enter. Here you can see, it is showing my IP address. Let me tell you the second and easiest method to see your IP address. You just have to click here, and come to your internet option. Here you have to right-click and then click on Go to Settings. After that, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Then, you have to click on Show Available Networks. And here you have to click on this Properties icon. After that, a window like this will appear. And here also, you can see your IP address. So in this video, we learn how to see your IP address. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.